Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Boxycharm for the month of August. Oh, there you go. So I'm really excited to dive in. This is just my Boxycharm base box. So this is the $25 box and I assume we're getting 5 items, is that right? I swear, I say this every time, but I just get so confused with the prices and the number of items and things like that between all of my different subscriptions. But I'm super excited to dive in. I also just uploaded my Ipsy Plus yesterday, so it is my previous video. Be sure to go check that out if you're interested in subscription boxes. And without further ado, let's get into the box. All right, we do have, whenever the camera's on, he's gonna jump up wherever he can be seen. So this one is, it says spa glamping sunbathe. I guess it's like summery. Can you believe like summer's coming to an end? I feel like it just started. Like, I don't know. Time is weird this year. You guys agree? So I've got 5 items in my box. This is the Morphe I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection. Now I'm kind of wondering, I'm not educated, but you guys let me know in the comments below, is Morphe 2 like a complete rebranding or is it like just a section of their brand? I'm not sure because I'm wondering like, are they just trying to like get rid of stuff or are they keeping just Morphe and then they have Morphe 2? Let me know. Maybe you guys know. I've not been following them. I feel like, I don't know. Like I still have some things from Morphe that I like, but I feel like a lot of people I'm just, I don't know. I feel like Morphe's always been really hit and miss, but I do typically like their brushes, so I can't complain about getting this for sure. So this has 4 eye brushes. I will do a close-up so you can see. These definitely don't feel like the ones that I personally have. I have a lot of their elite brushes. I also have some that came in gift sets that were gold, which I actually thought were really good. But these, I don't know, this little flat one feels pretty cheap. The blenders don't feel bad. They do have a little bit more like coarseness to them, which sometimes I like feel like sometimes I need it. If brushes on the eyes are too soft, then it can not move the product around the way that I like it. So I don't know, there's something to be said for having coarser brushes, but I don't know, this little flat one just feels really cheap. Like there's no weight to these at all. Like these are so light. And then you have like a little angled, which I guess you could use for liner, brows. I would probably use this one for liner. Let's check out the retail value. It says this goes for $12. I would say, okay, not bad for $12. That is $3 a brush. So I'm not mad at it for that price. I feel like for the blending brushes alone, I feel like that's a decent deal. I do feel like these just kind of fall in their, you know, lower echelon of quality, which you kind of get what you pay for. So I'm not mad at it. I will try these out and I will let you guys know what I think. I think I will do a big Boxycharm try on once I have my premium as well. Let me know if you're keen to see that. And I usually do the same with Ipsy, or I have for the past couple of times, you know? So I think I'm gonna keep that up. You guys let me know if you like that. Next up, we got something from Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam. So I believe this is a Korean brand. Yes, made in Korea. So Pure Heals, I've seen a couple of their things in subscription boxes, but I've never actually like purchased. And I think the last thing I got, I didn't keep because it was like a peel off mask. So I don't know about this. I don't know what it is, but when I see this, I'm like, not excited to use it. I may give this like one try and then pass it on to somebody else, but I'm not really excited about this brand. I don't think I'll ever be. And I do like a lot of Korean products, but I don't know, it's just charcoal products. I'm like, I'm more dry combo, so I don't really need charcoal. Sometimes you just aren't excited about a product. Like it can just be as silly as you don't like the packaging and you're just not drawn to it. Maybe it's just something silly like that. But it says this goes for $24. I mean, it's pretty up there for a cleanser. It has oriental botanical ingredients to cleanse the sebum and skin waste. Pine needle extracts and mineral ingredients to help skin be moisturized and glossy. Okay, that turns me off even further because it's got charcoal in it, but it's supposed to leave your skin glossy. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's a miracle cleanser. I don't know, but I'm just, eh. All right, we got something from QMS. This is the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Now, this brand has a really high price tag. I think that's one of the reasons that they like to have it in Boxycharm because it really, really jacks up like the value of your box. Not to say that it's not good. Like, this could be absolutely amazing. I'm gonna try it. I'm very curious. I'm always interested to see with like these really, really high priced products, when I do get them in subscription boxes, I like to test them out and see like, was that really worth that amount? Or is this just like super, super inflated? So again, $105 for this. It says it's lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, blurs imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. I'm curious, let's pump it on the hand. Of course I'll try. It already looks too dark for me. Let's just start there. They should probably have like a, you know, a light and a dark or something at least. Ugh. Okay, so it's obviously like a little bit dark. You can kind of see I have a line where it is. But if I do some self-tanning, I mean, we'll see how it goes. Ugh, what the fuck? What is that smell? It smells like an old man. This definitely smells like an old man. Like a clean old man. I don't mean to sound... Stop talking. Yeah, I'm sorry. That sounds like... That just smells like an old man in church. You know, is that like a thing? Maybe. So I still will try it, but I don't know about this. That scent really got to fade away for me able to put this on my face. And it's already like, it's a little too tan for me, but I am in the mood to self-tan. So I can maybe give it a try. I might just have to use something else that smells strong. I know that sounds really redundant, but like I have a Huda powder that I never use because it's so fragrant and like, okay, I could use it. Wow, okay, interesting. Next up, we got something from Mud Masky. This is the Hair Mask Scalp Treatment Miracle Shampoo. 3-in-1. Okay, so this goes for $25. It's a hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo. Makes the skin on your scalp healthy again. Repairs and strengthens hair while moisturizing the skin on the scalp. Controls dandruff from the roots and works against itchy scalp. Suitable for all hair types, especially for damaged hair. Well, that's me. So I have actually gotten probably, I would say at least 2 other things from Mud Masky, and I've never tried them, I think. And I don't know what it is. It's probably, again, me just not finding it appealing by like the packaging, the name, but I actually really want to try this. This sounds super intriguing. So it repairs, strengthens, hydrates, moisturizes, and helps with dandruff. I feel like I do get dandruff sometimes, and the funny thing is my scalp gets oily super easily, which I know this is a common issue. Manners is still back there, but my ends are very dry, so if I could have something to help with the scalp and then just moisturize my ends, I feel like that would be better. But I'm super excited to try this. I mean, why not give it a try? I use products like this that are more like a shampoo or exfoliator step and then go in with a hair mask, typically something really hydrating. That way I'm balancing out my products and I'm not like overusing shampoo or overusing conditioner. It kind of balances out. You know what I'm talking about? So $25 for this doesn't sound bad. I mean, a lot of hair products can be really, really up there in price. So I'm gonna give this one a try. I'm actually really excited. And finally, we have a palette. This is the Violet Voss Essentials 2. So it's Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment. This one is $36. Their palettes are usually pretty affordable. Now, Violet Voss to me has some really great palettes. I've had several palettes from them, big ones, small ones, and I've always thought the quality was really, really good. Well, this is interesting. Okay, not what I was expecting. Like, I was expecting more color, I think, from the lettering here, and you do get some, but you basically have an entire row of very neutral. You got 4 pops of color and then this like coppery shade here, which I would consider more neutral family-ish, you know. I feel like even people who wear neutrals will wear copper, but people who wear neutrals don't typically wear bright blue and bright purple. So I'm excited for this. I would have liked one of these purples to be matte. I feel like that would have really changed this up a little bit. You guys know I just love mattes, or maybe if you're new here, I love mattes. Like, I feel like it really creates the entire structure of most eye looks, and then you add the glitter or the shimmer or the metallic or something, you know, as an added bonus, unless you're going for just like a metallic eye, you know? I would say I use more mattes in every single eye look than I do shimmers or metallics. I feel like today I did a good balance, but usually I'm a matte girl, you know? But this is really pretty. I like that the blue is a nice little pop of color. It's matte, so you could use that under the waterline. It's just kind of weird that it's so neutral and then it's so bold. Interesting. Okay. I'm definitely going to try it nonetheless because I haven't had a Violet Voss palette in a minute, not a new one. So I will give it a go and we will see. Like I said, I'll probably do like a Boxycharm try on for all the products as well as one for Ipsy as well. So if you guys like to see that, leave a thumbs up or leave a comment so I know that you guys enjoy those types of videos, and we'll try that out soon. That still smells really bad. That just smells awful. And I bet there's fragrance in it. There's like no extra packaging with this or anything for me to see, but I'm sure it has fragrance in it and the fragrance is horrible. If you got this, do you think that it smells awful, or am I being ridiculous, let me know. All in all, not a bad box. Let's go ahead and add up these values. I love that we have a card with these. I know it's not necessary and it saves paper not to have it in it.
105 and 36, that's 141, plus a 24, 165, 12, 177.
And then 20, oh, the hair scalp was $25.50, the hair mask. 202.50. Let's see if I'm right, because I do math in my head and then sometimes I'm like, ah, what's wrong? Okay, yes, 202.50. At face value, that's a really, really good value for the box. However, when you consider that $105 for that tinted day cream, I mean, I don't know that I'm that impressed with this box. I'm really not stoked for the cleanser. However, I'm happy to try out the palette, try out the brushes, and try out the hair and scalp mask, which I do think altogether is definitely worth more than $25. So I think I got my money's worth. Don't get me wrong, we're gonna try things out. I'm gonna go wash my hand. Yeah, okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like my unboxings. I basically unbox all my boxes that I get for you the moment I get them so that I can get those videos out quickly and so that you guys can see what I got. But let me know what you want to see from me. If you have any requests, things like that, let me know. And I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.